How to make Google Slides. Now, Google Slides are usually used to make presentations instead of using PowerPoint as an app. Now, to use Google Slides and you want to make a Google Slide presentation, you can just go to slides.google.com. Now, first you can choose one of the pre-made themes that they already offer you by default right here. On the right hand side, you should be able to see a list of themes that are available. If you want to get started with a certain theme that matches the type of presentation that you're going to build, then you can just select that. You can see the theme option right here. You can just select any themes right here that you want, and then you'll be able to change the theme of your particular presentation. Now, if you also could look over here you can see different slides. So in the front, you can add an intro, then you can add description about whatever else your slides is all about. If you want to add a new slide, you can just hit the plus button right there. That creates a new slide. If you want to delete it, you can just hit the delete button. That will automatically delete that slide for you. But nevertheless, the process just really depends upon the type of slide that you're going to make, because you can make just about anything. You can add a text, you can add some photos, and do whatever else you prefer. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.